energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP will feel ya, huh? Will be feel. Goil, good energy. Ja, ja, ja.
You know the now. You are living the now. You feel secure in the now. But what about tomorrow? What happens when you can no longer do the things you love? What happens to your loved ones when you are no longer here? Get Mekakrawa from Prudential Life now and protect your future and that of your loved ones. With as little as 3 Ghana cedis, Mekakrawa covers you in case of death, total and permanent disability, or critical illness.
Saga, Abraboy, Uncle Tabu, a dead Dandani, the plan of Dutch, 45 city, intimate Tordine. No sweet Miss ever born Dutch. 5 years here, Nadal, star 778 ash. Oh, I'm telling you this year. Come with this year. Come with this year. Make up
At Academic City, we are not just students. We are problem solvers, innovators, and future-ready leaders. We power the future and create groundbreaking technologies ready to tackle real-world challenges head-on. In a world driven by technology, we shape the digital landscape, transforming challenges into opportunities. At the core of strategic thinking and decision-making, we thrive in the dynamic realm of commerce. We evolve into leaders who not only speak, but stand for what's right, forging narratives and stirring the conscience of the world. Embark on a journey with us, where innovation meets education. Academic City, educating future-ready leaders.
Ow.
Let me see.
She's never had a toothache before.
There might be a cavity. Don't you use Pepsodent?
We used to, but I'll try the new one.
That's why.
But doesn't every toothpaste give cavity protection?
Not really. Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter repairs tiny invisible holes to give 10 times stronger teeth. Will you trust Pepsodent?
Definitely.
Pepsodent, 10 times stronger teeth.
Use Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter.
I know you are there. Come on, Akoto.
Hello, Alpha. Yeah, the landlady is here today too. She's harassing me this morning. Yes, come and see how I'm sweating.
Well, if I catch you,
Yes, the number I sent you the last time. Yes, use the Jupe app. It will come right now.
Piebra. Ah, so we come give me my money. Me, Jim Sika.
We didn't know what your Jupe is here. Yes, Karanabe. Jupe. Jupe is the best money transfer app that is used to send money directly from the US to Ghana free of charge. They have the best rates in the market and they are very competitive. And no thing is Kanokrana Abrosono.
Jim Sika.
Hello and welcome to the 1/8 stage of the 2024 National Championship of the National Science and Math Quiz. Competing in this contest are Anlo Senior High School, Mpraeso Senior High School, and Mfantsiman Girls Senior High School. Let's welcome them. Anlo Senior High School is represented by
Mensa Divine
and
Potufa Prince Yao.
Anlo Senior High School. How has it been in this year's competition for you?
Okay, so this year's competition has been exciting and we are hoping for the best by the grace of God.
I wish you the best. Mpraeso Senior High School is represented by
Asari Alex
and
Rosalinda Enshi.
Tell us, Mpraeso, you are the seeded school in this contest. Tell us, how has your journey been in this year's competition?
Although there has been ups and downs, but with God we are still thriving.
I wish you the best. Mfantsiman Girls is represented by
Nana Bwedua Owusu
and
Vanessa Wari.
Mfantsiman Girls, how has the journey been for you?
It has been a very interesting ride from the regionals up to here after 6 years of absence. And we are very, very ready to give our very best because we know that our God is more than a conqueror.
You're welcome. You've been away for 6 years and you're back. You're welcome. I hope to feel the import of your return. I wish you the best. The National Science and Math Quiz is proudly sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with GOL PLC and supported by Joy News, Pepsodent, Jupe Money Transfer, Prudential Life Insurance Ghana, Bettermalt, ALX, Kivo, Bell Beverages, Flora Tissues, Coronation Insurance, Accra College of Medicine, University of Mines and Technology, Academic City University College, PMMC Jewelry, GTP, CHAS, YFM, and Gelmark Foundation. I am Dr. Gladys Shringa, your quiz mistress, and this is a primetime production. We have 5 rounds of competition. Each has its rules. Apart from round 3, in all the other rounds, you are going to answer questions from physics, chemistry, biology, and mathematics. You have 30 seconds to answer questions involving calculations and 10 seconds for those not involving calculations. In round 1, each school will get a question. You answer correctly for a maximum of 3 points. When you are wrong, another school may ring the bell, or when you don't answer and the bell goes out on you, another school may ring the bell to answer correctly for 1 point, or lose a point when they are wrong. So be sure of the answer you want to give for a bonus point. Please don't ring the bell when a school is supposed to be talking or they are talking. I won't call you that. Let me tell them they are wrong. Then you can ring the bell. I'll be starting the first round with Anlo Senior High School. I wish all schools the best. Please, keep your attention only on me, okay? Thank you. Preamble to all schools. Solve the logarithmic equation for x. Solve the logarithmic equation for x. Anglo, log base 3 of x minus log base x. Log base 3 of x minus 4 log base x of 3 equals negative 3. Yes, Divine.
X equals 3, or x is equal to 1 over 3. 81.
Are you done? What was the last part of your answer? I didn't get it.
1 over 81.
You didn't give me that. I got 1 over 3. Yes, x is equal to 3, or 1 over 3. And I didn't hear what you said after that. Did you say 1 over 3? You get 2 out of 3. Mpraeso, log base 5 of x plus 2 log base x of 5 equals 3. Go ahead, Rosalinda.
X equals 25, or x equals 5.
Correct. Mfantsiman, log base 2 of x minus 3 log base x of 2 equals 2. Go ahead, please.
X is equal to 8, or 1 over 2.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. State the main organ system in humans that performs the following primary function. State the main organ system in humans that performs the following primary function. Anlo regulates the body systems and development.
The endocrine system.
Correct. Mpraeso defends the body against infection.
Immune system.
Correct. Mfantsiman transports materials through the body and regulates body temperature.
The circulatory system.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. A series RLC circuit has R equals 0.150 kilo ohms and L equals 20.0 millihenry. A series RLC circuit has R equals 0.150 kilo ohms and L equals 20.0 millihenry. Find C required for the given resonance frequency. Anlo 0.75 kilohertz. Anyone for a bonus? Mpraeso, yours is 0.45 kilohertz. Rosalinda?
We have our answer to be 2.7 by 10 exponent by 10 exponent positive 3 ohms.
Incorrect. Mfantsiman, 0.65 kilohertz. Go ahead, Vanessa.
We have 1.9 times 10 to the power 2 farad.
Incorrect. Anlo, your answer should have been 2.3 microfarad. Mpraeso 6.3 microfarad. Mfantsiman 3.0 microfarad. Preamble to all schools. Determine the number of neutrons in nuclide X. Determine the number of neutrons in nuclide X. Anlo, when nitrogen 14 is bombarded with an alpha particle, a proton is formed together with nuclide X. Lift it a bit.
9 neutrons.
Correct. Mpraeso, when aluminium 27 is bombarded with an alpha particle, A neutron is formed together with nuclide X.
Fifteen neutrons.
That is correct. Mfantsiman, when calcium-40 is bombarded with a neutron, an alpha particle is formed together with nuclide X. Yes, Nana Bwediwa.
19 neutrons.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. Find the coordinates of one point on the given curve at which the gradient has the given value. Find the coordinates of one point on the given curve at which the gradient has the given value. Anlo, y equals x cubed plus 6x squared plus 3x plus 3. Gradient equals -6.
Okay, so the coordinates are, so the first coordinate has the x component to be -1 and its y component to be 5, and the second coordinate has the x component -3,3.
Hold on to that. Mpraeso, y equals x cubed minus 3x squared minus 5x plus 10. Gradient equals 4. Yes, Alex.
-1,11.
Correct. Mfantsiman, y equals x cubed minus 6x squared plus 9x minus 5. Gradient equals 0. Go ahead, Vanessa.
We have -1, -21.
Incorrect. Anlo.
1,9.
Incorrect. Your answer, you were to give just 1, and you decided to give 2, and 1 was wrong. So which one do I choose? I'll give you 2 out of 3. Mfantsiman, yours should have been 1, -1, or 3, -5. So give the biological, this is a preamble. Give the biological term to which the given description refers. Give the biological term to which the given description refers. Anlo. A leaf tissue composed of columnar chloroplast-bearing cells.
The palisade mesophyll.
No. I give to you. I give to you. Mpraeso. A leaf whose blade is divided into several distinct leaflets. The leaflets are attached to the midrib, giving the appearance of a feather or a comb.
Pinnate.
Pinnate, that's correct. Mfantsiman. The part of the vascular bundle extending from the base of the leaf to its connection with a vascular bundle in the stem that is responsible for transporting water, nutrients, and sugars between the leaf and the stem.
The leaf stalk.
No. Anlo.
The petiole.
It's the same thing as leaf stalk. It's the leaf trace. Preamble to all schools. Determine the center of mass of the given pair of particles of masses M1 with respective positions R1. Determine the center of mass of the given pair of particles of masses M1 with respective positions R1. So the pair of masses M1, M2, then the positions R1, R2. So Anlo, M1 equals 5.0 kilograms, R1 equals 3.0 I plus 4.0 J in meters, and M2 equals 3.0 kilograms, R2 equals 4.0 I plus 5.0 J in meters.
Okay, so the center of mass is given by the expression. A fraction with numerator 27I plus 35J and denominator 8.0, all this in meters.
Incorrect. Mpraeso. So your pair M3 equals 4.0 kilograms, R3 equals 6.0 I minus 7.0 J in meters, and M4 equals 2.0 kilograms, R4 equals 7.0 I plus 4.0 J in meters.
We have our center of mass to be 7.0 kilograms.
7.0
kilograms.
Incorrect. Mfantsiman, your pair. M5 equals 1.0 kilogram. R5 equals 12I plus 8.0J in meters. And M6 equals 6.0 kilograms. R6 equals negative 5.0I plus 2.0J in meters. Go ahead, Nana Bwediwa.
So we have the position vector to be, the center of mass to be negative 9.0I plus 10J, all in meters.
Incorrect. Anlo, your answer should have been 3.4I plus 4.4J in meters. Mpraeso, 6.3I minus 3.3J, also in meters. Mfantsiman, negative 2.6I plus 2.9J in meters. This set will take 30 seconds. But it's one question that comes to all of you. Give the systematic name of one alkyl substituted isomer of C5H11Br. Give the systematic name of one alkyl substituted isomer of C5H11Br. Anlo, give me yours.
Two bromo, 2 methyl butane.
Correct. Mpraeso.
Two bromo, 3 methyl butane.
Correct. Mfantsiman.
1 bromo 2 methyl butane.
That one has been given already. Oh, you gave 2 bromo. Okay, so you get it. That's the end of the first round. There is a challenge from Anlo Senior High School concerning the second set of physics questions that they gave their answer for. Consultant says I should give you partial points, so I give you 2 out of 3. Okay, so at the end of the first round, Mfantsiman Girls Senior High School had 12 points. Anlo Senior High School had 16 points. And Mpraeso Senior High School had 18 points. Contestants, this is the second round. In this round, we have the Prudential Life Speed Race. Each question comes to all schools, and you may take turns in answering. If you are the first to answer correctly, 3 points for you. When you are wrong, second school answers correctly for 2 points. When they are wrong, third school answers correctly for 1 point. Anytime you get it wrong, you lose a point. In this round, you can ring the bell at any time. But as soon as you are called, you have 3 seconds within which to start giving an answer. If you don't, a bell will go out on you and your answer will be considered wrongly given. You starting with, and our answer is, and we got, those won't count as you haven't started giving your answer. As soon as you are called, you go straight to the point. I wish you the best for this round. Speed race. Determine the formula for a sulfur fluoride that contains 21.95% sulfur. Mpraeso.
SF2.
SF2. Incorrect. It is SF6. Given the equilibrium concentration of NO2 and N2O4 are 0.025 mole per cubic decimeter and 0.040 mole per cubic decimeter, respectively. Calculate the equilibrium constant with units for the gaseous reaction 2NO2 in equilibrium with N2O4. Mfantsiman.
0.080 mole to the power -1 and dm to the power 3.
Incorrect. It is 64 per mole cubic decimeters. Calculate the EMF of the cell formed when the half cells BA2+/BA and Ca2+/Ca with respective reduction potentials negative 2.906 volts and negative 2.86. Yes, Mpraeso.
We have negative.
Your time is passed. Negative 2.868 volts are connected. Mfantsiman.
Negative 0.038 volts.
Incorrect. Anlo.
Positive.
Your time is passed. So the answer is positive 0.038 volts. Calculate the frequency of the fundamental transverse vibration mode of a stretched 0.625 meter string fixed at both ends, given that the speed of transverse waves on the string is 64.0 meters per second. Mpraeso.
2.56 hertz.
Incorrect. Anlo.
256 hertz.
Incorrect. Mfantsiman.
25.6 hertz.
Incorrect. It is 51.2 hertz. A particle moving at 25 meters per second collides with a stationary 4.0 kilogram particle, and the two particles take off together at 15 meters per second. What is the mass of the incoming particle? Mpraeso.
6.0 kilograms.
Correct. Find the potential of a conducting sphere of radius 0.30 meter with net charge 16 picocoulomb. Mpraeso.
0.5 volts.
Incorrect. Anlo.
0.48 volts.
Correct. How many high energy terminal bonds? How many high energy terminal bonds are present in ATP? Mfantsiman.
3.
Incorrect. There are 2. Which part of the neuron structure is responsible for receiving messages? Yes, Mfantsiman.
The dendrite.
Correct. A farmer binds the stem of one variety of cocoa to the stem of another rooted cocoa tree to create a desired variety. Name the artificial Mpraeso.
Grafton.
Correct. Factorize completely the expression x cubed minus 3x squared plus 4. Mpraeso.
In one bracket, s plus 2. In the second bracket, x minus 2. And in the third bracket, x minus 3.
No. If vectors A and B are given by A equals 3i minus 2j and B equals 2i plus 3j, find the length of the vector 2a plus 2b. Mpraeso.
Fraction with numerator 102 and denominator root 5.
Incorrect. Anlo.
That's the square root of 104 units.
Incorrect. It's 13. Sorry. Express 43 as the difference. Yes, Mpraeso.
22 squared minus 21 squared.
Correct. That's the end of the speed race.
Accra College of Medicine is the leading private medical college in the country, seeking to train doctors who are committed to excellence and have the heart power. With the state-of-the-art facilities, small class size, and an amazing faculty, we help our students learn better.
My dream of becoming a medical doctor is now a reality because at ACM, I am offered the best learning experience.
We are accredited by the National Accreditation Board and the Medical and Dental Council. ACM is affiliated to the University of Ghana with mentorship from the University of Ghana Medical School.
For those who want to pursue medicine, our doors are wide open. Accra College of Medicine is the place to be.
Visit www.acm.edu.gh to apply now. Accra College of Medicine, producing the next generation of health professionals.
Hey. So many people with your name. What makes you stand out? When you are called, will you be ready? Get the X Factor advantage with an ALX course. Search ALX Ghana online to learn more about our programs.
How do I look?
You look so gorgeous, Auntie.
Thank you. I hope my date feels the same. Am I not forgetting something?
Yes, obviously. Laura Mimi.
Thank you. Can I use the washroom, please?
Sure. Flora disposable handkerchief. You obviously aren't using floral tissues, my dear, because the floral tissues, they are soft and easy on the skin and they leave no particles.
I hope you had a good time.
I had fun. Thank you for dinner. Are you okay? Do you want to use the washroom? Yeah. Okay, fine.
Hey, broke uncle. I will tell auntie.
Fachemi. I just love how it feels.
Increasing over its domain, or it is decreasing over its domain. Selenam.
True.
You're right. With the same preamble.
Hey! Childhood school is brilliant.
Okay, so before I call out the results for the math, the first question, I didn't give the answer. So to clear all doubts, it's the expression x plus 1 multiplying the square of the expression x minus 2. So this one, please, when you write the school, which school is it from? So Anlo is saying that Mpraeso changed their answer from 23 to 22, and then the math question they had rang, but were not given the opportunity. Is that the case? Did you see that one you saw? Okay. So they were the third to answer. They were supposed to be the third to answer. Second. No worries about that. I'll address that. So the Mpraeso issue. They were giving their answer. They hadn't given the answer. They were in the process of giving the answer. So they started and they changed. I caught that. But they were giving the answer, so it happens. This is not the first time it has happened. So they were giving their answer. If they had finished giving their answer, then they changed it. Then it would have been a problem. But they were in the process of giving their answer. They started and they changed and gave an answer that I accepted. That one is acceptable. Or then for Anlo, I'm going to give one last question that the others would have to sit out. You answer correctly for 2 points, so that you don't feel cheated. So this one is for just you. Find the values of the constants a and b if f of x equals x cubed minus ax squared plus bx plus 5 is divisible by the expression x squared minus 1. Go ahead.
B is equal to -1 and A is equal to 5.
That is correct. Contestants, each table is going to get a sheet of paper. You are not to touch that sheet of paper till I ask you to. If you do, it will go against you. Kindly take note, please. Okay, so at the end of the speed race, Prudential Life speed race, Mfantsiman girls had 11 points. Anlo Senior High School had 17 points. And Mpraeso Senior High School had 21 points. Contestants, this is the third round. You all are going to solve a common problem called the problem of the day. It is worth 10 points. You'll be solving the problem of the day on the screens provided. After you are done solving, I'll assess and then I'll tell you what the consultant had suggested as a solution. You have 4 minutes to solve the problem of the day. So kindly stand up and lift. Don't turn over yet. Just lift the sheet. I said don't turn over. Now you may turn over. Let's read the problem of the day together. In biology, specimens are from traps at regular intervals, identified, counted, and where possible released. There are a variety of methods of collecting specimens. Indicate the standard collecting methods of the following organisms. 1. Non-flying insects, or larval stages of insects. 2. Flying insects. 3. Plankton. 4. Walking or crawling insects. 5. Night-flying insects, particularly moths. 6. Shrews and mice. 7. Small arthropods, example millipedes, centipedes. 8. Running freshwater insects and crustaceans. 9. Earthworms. 10. And chytrid worms. This is the problem of the day. You have 4 minutes starting now. What are you looking for? You use your hand. Stop work. Okay, so our contestants have put their solutions on the board. This problem was a biology problem that the contestants were to give the standard collecting methods of organisms. So for non-flying insects or larval stages of insects, we use tray beating. For flying insects, use of kite net or sticky trap. All of you wrote butterfly net, I gave to you. 3, plankton, use plankton net. Then for walking or crawling insects, the pitchfork trap. Night flying insects, particularly moth, you use light trapping. For shrews and mice, mammal trapping. Mammal traps, I think someone at school wrote the pitfall. You, Mfantsiman, you wrote pitfall, so you get 3, not 2. Yes, because yes, it is a kind of pitfall trap. Then small arthropods, millipede, centipede, you use tall green funnel. Then running freshwater insects and crustaceans, we use kick sampling. For earthworms, I saw hand picking. But earthworms are not on top of the soil. They are inside the soil, so they need to be brought out. So we use normally formaldehyde for extracting them. Then in chytrid worms, we use Berman funnel. So these are the answers I was expecting. 10 of them, so each one bore 1 point. So, Mfantsiman girls, okay. So Anlo and Mpraeso each had 1 point. And Mfantsiman girls got 3 points. So we are done with the 3rd round. We're going to the 4th round, where we have the Jupe true or false round. In this round, each school will get a statement. You tell me whether your statement, please change to your school logos. No, the green one. So you tell me whether your statement is true or false. When you are right, you earn 2 points. When you are wrong, you lose a point. If you don't answer and the bell goes out on you, then another school may ring to answer for 2 points when they are correct or lose a point when they are wrong. In this round, each school has a special promo code that alumni can use to send money to Ghana through Jupe money transfer, from which, or for which, Jupe would reward the school with an amount of money. So, the promo code for Anlo Senior High School is ANSECO in capital letters, ANSECO. For Mpraeso, we have MPASS, capital M, all capital letters, MPASS. Then for Mfantsiman girls, we have SITE, SYTE, all in capital letters. These are the promo codes for your alumni in the diaspora to send money through Jupe to Ghana, for which the school will be given some money by Jupe. So the true or false round is proudly sponsored by Jupe Money Transfer. Meet a need, send via Jupe. So we start our fourth round. I'll be starting with Anlo Senior High School. Please, I need you to focus on me alone, okay? The reaction of sodium with water is slow at room temperature, but can be vigorous upon heating. Anlo?
True.
Incorrect. Mpraeso, the reaction of sodium with water is more violent than the reaction of potassium with water.
False.
Correct. Mfantsiman, the reaction between sodium and water is redox, where sodium is oxidized and water is reduced.
False.
Incorrect. Anlo, heat transfer by conduction involves transport of atoms or molecules.
False.
Correct. Mpraeso, heat transfer by conduction can only occur in liquids.
False.
Correct. Mfantsiman, whenever heat transfer by conduction occurs, heat transfer by radiation cannot occur.
False.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. Smooth muscles are responsible for Anlo, contraction of the walls of the heart.
It's false.
Correct. Mpraeso, movement of food from the stomach to the small and large intestine and then to the colon.
True.
Correct. Mfantsiman, transmission of electrical impulse signals from one part of the body to another.
False.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. An arc subtends an angle of 30 degrees at the center of a circle of radius 1 centimeter. An arc subtends an angle of 30 degrees at the center of a circle of radius 1 centimeter. The length of the arc is, Anlo, 30 centimeters.
False.
Correct. Mpraeso, 15 centimeters.
False.
Correct. Mfantsiman, pi over 3 centimeters.
False.
Correct. Anlo, the boiling point of a liquid is defined as the temperature at which its vapor pressure equals the external atmospheric pressure.
It's true.
Correct. Mpraeso, as the vapor pressure of a liquid decreases, its boiling point decreases.
True.
Incorrect. Mfantsiman, a liquid with a high vapor pressure will have a lower boiling point than a liquid with a low vapor pressure.
False.
Correct. Incorrect. It is incorrect. Preamble to all schools. A particle moves along a straight line with constant acceleration. A particle moves along a straight line with constant acceleration. Anlo, the speed of the particle increases if its acceleration is positive.
It's true.
Incorrect. Mpraeso, the speed of the particle decreases if its acceleration is negative.
False.
Correct. Mfantsiman, the velocity of the particle is positive if its acceleration is positive.
False.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. A hermaphroditic flower must possess the Anlo, perianth, and gynecium.
It's false.
Correct. Mpraeso, calyx and the andresium.
False.
Correct. Mfantsiman, calyx and the perianth.
False.
Correct. Last search for this round. If the equation ax squared plus by squared plus 2fx plus 2gy plus c equals 0 represents a circle. I take the preamble again. If the equation ax squared plus by squared plus 2fx plus 2gy plus c equals 0 represents a circle, then Anlo, A equals B.
It's true.
Correct. Mpraeso, C equals 0.
False.
Correct. Mfantsiman, F equals G.
False.
Correct. That's the end of the fourth round. So the true or false round was proudly sponsored by Dupe Money Transfer. Meet your needs sent via Dupe. At the end of the round, Mfantsiman Girls Senior High School had 24 points. Anlo Senior High School had 28 points. And Mpraeso Senior High School had 35 points. Contestants, this is round 5, the final round of the contest. And in this round, we are going to solve 4 riddles. I'm going to give you clues to help you solve the riddle. If you're able to solve on clue 1, 5 points for you. Clue 2, 4 points. Clue 3, to the very last one, 3 points. When you're ready with your solution, you press the bell. Each riddle will come to all schools. So you may take turns. If you take a turn and you are not successful, you sit out of competition for that one. You may join us if there is another one. GOL has a package for you called the GOL Riddle Bonanza. The GOL Riddle Bonanza would reward a school that is able to solve 3 or 4, all 4 riddles correctly. If you solve 3 correctly, at the stage you earn 1,200 Ghana cedis. And if you solve all 4 correctly, at the stage you earn 1,600 Ghana cedis. These amounts will go to the teams. The Gold Riddle Bonanza is proudly sponsored by GOIL, Good Energy. So, I wish you the best in the final round. We start. I am a strong mineral acid. I am colorless and pungent. I'm a binary acid. I'm commonly referred to as muriatic. Yes, Anlo.
Hydrochloric acid.
Correct. I am a named law in physics. I'm a thermophysical law. I contain a physical constant whose value depends on the reciprocal of the speed of light squared. I'm a power versus temperature law. I'm the law that expresses the relationship between radiated power and the 4th power of absolute temperature. Mpraeso.
We have the Boltzmann law.
Incorrect. Mfantsiman.
The law of photoelectric effect.
No, please. Anlo.
That's Stefan Boltzmann's law.
I would have to check on that one. So just hold on to that. I am one of the Earth's 3 major geologic areas of Phanerozoic time. I'm one of the Earth's 3 major geologic areas of Phanerozoic time. The Earth's climate during my era was generally warm. There was less difference in temperature between equatorial and polar latitudes than there is today. The ancestors of major plant and animal groups that exist today first appeared during my era. But my era is best known as the time of the dinosaurs. My name is derived from the Greek term for middle life. Who am I? Anlo?
You are meridian time.
No, please. Who was second? Mpraeso?
We have pre-meridian time.
Pre-meridian, incorrect. Did Mfantsiman ring? Who am I? I'm Mesozoic era. I'm a kind of triangle. I appear isosceles. My sides are not segments, but numbers which are binomial coefficients. Yes, Mfantsiman.
Pascal's triangle.
That is correct. So let's wait on the determination of Anglo's answer. Dr. Kudiche. Anlo, unfortunately, you are not getting it. The answer is Stefan's law. There is Stefan Botzmann constant, but the law is Stefan's law. So this is the end of the contest. So we've come to the end of the contest. Unfortunately, no one won the Gold Riddle Bonanza. Thank you for joining us for this contest. Do make it a point to join us for our next contest, which promises to be exciting. The National Science and Maths Quiz is proudly sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with Gold PLC and supported by Joy News, Pepsodent, Due Pay Money Transfer, Prudential Life Insurance Ghana, Bettermalt, ALX, Kivo, Bell Beverages, Flora Tissues, Coronation Insurance, Accra College of Medicine, University of Mines and Technology, Academic City University College, PMMC Jewelry, GTP, CHAS, YFM and Gelmark Foundation. The 2024 edition of the STEM Festival comes off from November 7 to 23, 2024. Join us to dive into the theme, exploring agri-tech solutions to boost Ghana's economy. And so at the end of this contest, Mfantsiman Girls Senior High School had 27 points. Anlo Senior High School had 31 points. And Mpraeso Senior High School had 35 points. Mfantsiman Girls Senior High School and Anlo Senior High School, I wish you the best in whatever you do from here. Congratulations to you, Mpraeso Senior High School, for winning this contest. You have qualified to the quarterfinal stage of competition. I wish you the best as you go on. I pray you go further than the quarterfinal stage. Your score may not be the highest for the day. Had it been, you would have won the Pepsodent Highest Scorer Award, which at this stage is worth 2,000 Ghana cedis. The Pepsodent Highest Scorer Award is sponsored by Pepsodent. Every smile matters. I am Dr. Gladys Odeshwinga, your quiz mistress, and this is a primetime production. Bye for now.